What's up guys, Average Tech Guy here, and today we are back with some of the must-have accessories for your iPad 10.2 7th Gen, and this is the iPad Smart Keyboard Folio. Let's get it open and let's check it out. So right out of the box, I'm going to go ahead and open this up. Right out of the box, this is what you get. You get the actual paperwork that you normally get every time you open an Apple product designed in California. And then you actually get the keyboard case itself. So I'm gonna get this all to the side. And now let's talk about what's actually in this package. So right away you see it's nice and folded. Take this out, and this is the actual keyboard itself. So you got a full keyboard layout. You have microfiber lining, so you're not gonna scratch up your device. And then you have your pins back here. So what we're gonna do now is I'm gonna slide this back some. So once you have this all the way out of the packaging, you're just gonna latch it on. You're gonna hear it snap. You're gonna fold it down. So once you have it on, this is what you're gonna do. Go to your notes and you're gonna start typing. So you got a true typing mode because now you have this full keyboard. Typing is a breeze on here now that you have that. And once you get finished, you actually just take this, fold your keyboard up. It makes a nice microfiber lining, and you get a case that you can carry around, and you do get the auto sleep wake function, and it is magnetic, slightly. Now, the next thing you want to know about this is you can actually fold this over just like that, and you get a entertainment mode. So the keyboard folds back behind and the stand comes this way, and you get entertainment mode just like that. So a nice accessory for you to pick up. One of the must-haves for this is going to increase your productivity, especially with iPad OS or iOS 13, where you can use a mouse, you got a keyboard, you have a full mini laptop setup or non-laptop traditional setup, but everything is going to work the same. You have your mouse over here, which I've done a review on one mouse for right now. There are more to come. And then you have your keyboard here, and then all you need now is to hook this thing up to a printer, and you don't have to go anywhere. Like I said, this is the iPad Smart Keyboard Folio. This is going to run you about 140 bucks. You can pick it up on Amazon. You can check it out on Best Buy, but it's a great accessory for this iPad 10.2. And this keyboard actually also fits with the iPad Air 3rd generation, as well as the iPad 10.5 Pro. So it works with 3 separate types of iPads. So whatever your flavor is, you can go out and pick this up and it's good to go. So no batteries included, no charging included. It works through the 3-pin system that we saw earlier. Right down here, works through that 3-pin system. It's going to use the power directly from here, and you are good to go once you get it all set up. So I'll drop that link below so you can check it out for yourself. Hopefully this is able to help someone out. Until next time, be sure to give me that thumbs up. Please subscribe. Average Tech Guy out. Peace.